So Andrew, after Chizaram, after she's done singing, Ndine nana anyị na-arịọ unu sụbana susibo ka susibo anyị ghara ịnwụ ikwu n'ibe anyị na-arịọ unu sụbana susibo ka susibo anyị ghara ịnwụ jisie n'ike subibo ka susibo anyị ghara ịnwụ jisie n'ike Senike Subibo Kasusi Bani Yaremo. Andrew, you're going to be ready for that, right? Andrew? Andrew, are you here, Andrew? Welia Kagelu, Andrew. So I'm going to unmute everybody. But don't make noise. So Andrew, once Chizaram. Chizaram Kadebeno. Unmute yourself, Chizaram. Chizaram Gagurai Egwu na Igbo. Chizaram, can you unmute yourself? All right. There you go. I'm going to put Chizaram on the screen. Now, you're going to sing a song. You have people song, right? All right. The floor is open. Come on, sing a song for us. Email.
Onyama, down Chineke, down Onyama, down Chineke, down Onyama, down Chineke, down Onyama.
No, I need to see the screen. Put your video on. Come on. Okay, sing it again. Again. Oza.
Chineke, down Onyama, down Chineke, down Onyama, Onyama, down Chineke, down Onyama.
Can you call the Chizaraka? Onyawala, Chizaraka. Everybody, clap for her. Come on. Chizara, that's good. So now, Chineke. Dalu means what? Chizara. Dalu means thank you, right? You're thanking God. So Dalu means thank you. Chineke means God, right? Okay. So Chineke or Chuku means God. Now, Onyama means a good person. So you're praising God. You're saying, thank you, God. You're a good person. Okay. So Onyama is someone who is good. A good person is Onyama. Now, God means Chineke. Or Chuku, okay? Dalu means thank you. So make sure whatever you're singing, you know the meaning. So Dalu Chizaram. Good. Now, Andrew, never. Meet yourself. Now, Andrew. 1, 2, go.
Well, no, I don't know the song really well.
Why? Okay. I think everybody in this class is supposed to Izuna never. Who knows it? I need 2 people to sing it. Izuna once or never. If you want to sing Sopana Susibo Kasusibani Yarimuna. If you want to do it, raise your hand. If you want to do it. Use the emoji to get your hand up. If you guys don't want to sing it, we're going to dismiss. I need some, because we started this song last year. Okay, Shudo, who else knows it? Who else knows this song? It's not only one person, because everybody, Izuna was. Izuna, I need to see your video. Izuna, get your video open. Izuna, you can sing it, right? Izuna, talk.
I know some of it.
Why some of it? You're supposed to know all of them. Kedonyo Zamaya, who else can sing it? Oh my goodness. Who else can sing this? Chinsonari Honor. Chinsonari
Yes,
Honor. You can sing this?
I know a little bit of it, but not all of it though.
Oh my goodness, you guys are making me to cry. What do you mean you don't know it? All of you supposed to know it. Oh, Chima and Obi, you don't know it? Okay, okay, Chudo, let me see. Chudo, try. Go ahead. Chudo, come on. See your hand up. I see Chudo's hand up. Or is it a mistake, Chudo? Emmanuel? I see Emmanuel's hand up. Emmanuel, you want to sing or you have a question?
I have a question. I just started today.
Yes, good. Welcome, Emmanuel. So this is how you say I have a question. First of all, you say your name. Ahambo Emmanuel, okay? And then you say, so we're going to review it again. And then say, Enwerem Ajuju. So now let's start class. And this song, I'm going to post the lyrics again and then post the recording. Everybody should learn it. You sing it when your parents are speaking English and you sing it. Ndị nne na nna anyị na-arịọ ọnụ sụba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ ikwu na ibe anyị na-arịọ ọnụ sụba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ jisie n'ike jisie ike sụba Igbo. So you're telling us to speak Igbo to you so that our Igbo language will not die. So I'm going to post the lyrics again. I'm going to post the recording, okay? But now let me share a page. So we did the greetings. We did greetings and some of the just phrases, how to say your name, how to answer questions. Kedu ka ị mere? Gịnị bụ aha gị? Aha m bụ Ademma, Mama, Papa, how to say all those things. And the greetings, good morning, which is Ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma, anyasị ọma. So let's get back to it. And when I'm teaching, if you're new, I need you to pay close attention. Don't do anything. Don't play around. Just listen. That's what I want you all to do, okay? So, we did some of this last week, and we're going to review it today. Okay, we did it last week, and we're going to do review. And if you have question, you keep your question at the end. At the end, okay, the end of the class, you ask questions. So, Izu gara aga means last week. So I'm going to share a page, everybody. Again, I said when I'm teaching, don't play, don't watch TV, just listen. Don't even write anything. Listen, okay? Gente wogene, listen. Gente means to listen. Gente, listen. Okay. All right, so let me get to everybody. Onyabola, you see the page, right, that I'm sharing? So Emmanuel, if you have questions, just keep them. Everybody, when you're coming to this class, come with a notebook. I want you to label it Igbo class, okay? Or a piece of paper, but a notebook will be better. So when the lecture is going on, if you have a question, you write it down. Then at the end, you can ask me those questions, okay? We don't ask questions when the lecture is going on. Okay. For you to ask questions, you first of all say, Ahambo. My name is. That's how you say your name. If somebody asks you your name now, Ginebo Ahage, you say, Ahambo. Ahambo. Then you say your name. Okay? And the same thing, if you want to ask a question, when you get your hand up with your emoji, you say, okay, Ahambo, you tell us who you are. Enwerem Ajojo. So these are three ways to tell us what you want to do. Okay? Enwerem Ajojo. And you say, Ajojumbo. Enwere m ajụjụ means I have a question. Enwere m ajụjụ, you must know how to sound it, how to say it fluently. Enwere m ajụjụ. I have a question. My question is ajụjụ mbụ. You see, it's on the screen here. Ajụjụ mbụ. My question is, and then you tell us what it is. So last week we did this, the Igbo greetings and phrases. As we say, amaghị m ya. Now, if I ask you a question, instead of you keeping quiet, I need you to say something. If you know it, you answer the question. If you don't know the question, you say, amaghị m ya. Amaghị m ya. See how I'm pronouncing it. Amaghị m ya means I don't know it. Okay? Amaghị m ya. I don't know it. Amaghị m ya. Amam ya means I know it. Amam ya. Amam ya, which means you have to answer the question. But rather than keeping quiet, you say amaghị m ya. Okay? Now, when I ask you, kedu ka email, it means how are you? Kedu is also how are you? Kedu is how are you? That's a short form, okay? But when somebody say kedu ka email and you get lost, it means you are not paying attention in this class. You need to pay attention. Kedu means how are you? That's the short form of it. Kedu ka email, how are you doing? It is the same thing. The same way you say, adị m mma. You can say, I am fine. If you are not fine, say, adịghị m mma. I am not fine. It's adịghị m mma. I'm going to add it here. Adịghị m. This the A is you. Adịghị m. Adịghị m mma. Mma means okay, or fine, or beautiful. Anything you say mma, or the mma, it is fine, it is well, it is good, it is okay. That's what it is. Adịghị m mma means I am not fine, or I'm not well, or I am not okay. Okay, I am not fine. Okay, I am not fine. That's what it is. If you're fine, say Adam, mma, Adam, mma. When I ask you, kedu ka imere, and you say Adam, you are wrong. Don't say Adam. Always tell me Adam if it's you and I. If somebody asks you direct question is Adam. But if it's indirect, it's a different thing. If I say kedu ka papa gị mere, papa means your dad. Mama maọbụ nne. Now, mama, nne means your mom. Papa maọbụ nna means your dad. Only if I say kedu ka mama gị mere, and then you say oh. The O, the letter O with a dot is O. It means he, she, or it. That's for the pronouns. We are not doing pronouns today. When we start doing pronouns, you see them. But I need you to know that O, the letter O, the O with a dot underneath it means he, she, it. O, that's he, she, it. So if I say, kedu ka nwanne gị mere? Nwanne means sibling. Then you say, all the ma. If I say, kedu ka mama gị mere? You say, all the ma. It means she is fine. But when I ask you, kedu ka ị mere? You say, all the ma. You are wrong. Don't say that. You should say, which is you. Adem ma. If you're not okay, you say, adegem ma. You need to be sounding this yourself because you need to know how to say it, okay? Adegem ma means I am not fine. I'm not well. I'm not okay. Adem ma. I am fine. I'm okay. Okay? Now, keep going. Don't forget again, before you ask question, you say, Cambo. Enwere m ajụjụ. Enwere m ajụjụ. Ajụjụ. Ajụjụ means question. Ajụjụ means question. Enwere m means I have. Enwere m, I have. Ajụjụ, question. Okay? Now, if you say, okay, if I say kedu or somebody say, kedu ka papa gị mere? Papa means father. If I also say kedu ka nna gị mere? Nna also means father. Kedu ka mama? Mama means mother. Nne also means mother. Okay? Now, when I say ụbọchị, ụbọchị, ụbọchị means a day. How is your day? Kedu ka ụbọchị gị? Now, I didn't say kedu ka gị mere. I didn't say how are you. I say how is your day or how was your day? So you need to pay attention when the question goes there. You say kedu ka ụbọchị. Ụbọchị means a day, that day, D-A-Y. It's ụbọchị. 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 Ụbọchị means day. When I say kedu ka ụbọchị gị mere? For example, when daddy is back from work and he say, oh, Papa, kedu ka ụbọchị gị mere? He say, how was your day? Or how is your day? So make sure you do ask questions like that. Hey, ụbọchị gị ọ gara nke ọma? But at least learn how to say, kedu ka ụbọchị gị mere? How is your day? How did your day go? Yeah. And when the person is back, one of the greetings is no, right? You say no. Welcome. Instead of you saying it in English, welcome. You say no. You see, we have double N's. Then you close your mouth to sound the first N. No. No. Now, I posted alphabet recording, how to sound it. I posted the alphabet. Alphabet is not what I'm going to sit down and start teaching. Alphabet is what you need to make out time to learn yourself. Watch that recording. Follow the alphabets. Learn your alphabets. 2 days should be enough for you to learn alphabets, unless if you don't make out time to do it. You need to know your sounds, because even if it's in English, the first thing they teach you is alphabet. We went over this alphabet already. I sent the recording for the new ones. All you need to do, pay attention to the recordings. And if you've been in this class for a few months now, and you don't know the alphabet, because we keep recycling, then I'm not going to be happy with you. You need to know your alphabet, how to sound it, how to sound the alphabet. Okay, so go over. If you're still struggling, go over the recording that I sent. Listen to my recording. Follow the alphabet while it's going on and make sure you're sounding it. When you finish, pause it, sound it yourself. Let your siblings or your mom or your dad or your aunt or grandma, anybody listen to you and see if you're doing very well. When you're ready, if you're still struggling, send it to me. I know most of you did and sent me their recordings, and some of you did very well, some of you did not. So you need to pay attention, because if you don't know how to sound them, you will struggle pronouncing Igbo words. You're going to struggle. So learn your Igbo alphabets. If we sit down to make sure that everybody knows it, then it's going to take us forever. But it's your job to make our time to learn it. Now, in the morning, when you wake up in the morning, what do you greet? Ụtụtụ ọma, no more good morning. Learn to do that. And parents, if you're in this class, please help them by saying these words. First of all, you can greet them, say ụtụtụ ọma to them, and then they will say ụtụtụ ọma to you. So you wake up in the morning, say it to your siblings, say it to you, even if your sibling is younger than you, even if it's your junior one, say Ụtụtụ ọma, if it's in the afternoon. Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ehihie ọma, good afternoon. Good evening. Mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma. All right. Okay, so we put something together here. We say, eririm nri. I ate food. That's how you put something if you want to say, I ate food. Eririm nri. If you want to say, I will eat food. I will eat food. Agam eri nri. Agam eri nri. Agam eri nri. So, the reason we use this, you have two letters when you're making a sentence. One is the other one is But I don't want you to focus too much on that now because we're going to do vowels. We do vowel harmony. We have 8 vowels. When we do vowels, then you will understand why you do and the So these 2 letters, and the 2 letters, and we use them. So they were not going to do too much about them now. So it has to do with you. When you are making a sentence and you want to express yourself, you want to tell us something about yourself, okay? You either say, I came, or you say, I went, right? So we're gonna use them and say, for example, if you want to say, I went to school, right? You can say, I went to school. I went to school. And then you say, ejerem, okay? Ejerem akwụkwọ school. Akwụkwọ. Ejerem akwụkwọ. Okay? This is talking about you. Ejerem akwụkwọ. I went to school. Ejerem. You can also say agaram. You either say ejerem or you say agaram. Now I need you to know this word. Or means ma obo. Anytime you want to say or in Igbo, you say ma obo. Ma obo. Always know this. Or means ma obo. You can say ejerem akwụkwọ, or you can say agaram akwụkwọ. That's the example that I'm giving to you. Example. And I want you to know how to say example today in Igbo. Ịma. Okay, you need to know this one. Example means ịma. Oh, come on. Example means ịma. Ịma. Ịma means example. Okay. If I want to say, give me an example, I will say ma-atụ. Ma-atụ. Give me an example. Give an example. Ma-atụ means give an example. Okay. Give an example means ma-atụ. Ma-atụ. That's how you say. If you're going to write it together, you have to put a hyphen there. Okay? Ma-atụ. Give an example. Ịma-atụ is a verb. Ịma-atụ is a verb to give example. Okay? All right. So now, if you say, I ate food, eririm nri, that's past tense. Eririm nri. Aga m eri nri. I will eat. Agam is something that will happen. It will still happen, but it's not happening yet. I will eat food. Agam erinri. Okay? Agam erinri. Now, ana erinri is happening now, present tense. Ana erinri. Hey, Chimamanda will answer, ana erinri. I am eating. Yes, I'm eating. If mom is calling Zikora, mama, ana m eri nri. Yes, mom, I am eating, right? Ana m eri nri. You say what you're doing, okay? So anytime they call you and you're eating, anam, I am. Is something happening now? You are doing it now. Ana m abịa. I am coming now. You are doing it right now. Anna, Anna. So this Anna is something happening now. Anam, you are doing it now. I will, Agam is something you will do later. You're not doing it here, but you're gonna do it later. Agam, now if you say Agaram, you already went. Abiaram, I came. Abiaram, I came. Abiaram no longer. I came to your house. I came to your house. Me, biara no longer. I came to your house. Abiaram, I came. Abiaram, I came. That is representing you. Okay. Abiaram, I came. All right. So we're going to leave this one. Now, remember I said when somebody comes to your house, you say, no. When your parents, your sibling, or anybody back, no, work. Now, when you see me passing at night and you want to greet me, good night. Okay. Remember, you said this good night as a greeting. You also say it when you're saying good night. Well, may the night don't work. Somebody. Kachifo. But then, when you see me at you can also say good night when I'm leaving or when you're leaving. But at the same time, the more appropriate one, when you're leaving or when that person is leaving, is Kachifo in Igbo. Okay? So the other greeting of good night, remember, pay attention again. Good night, when you see, you can say that. Okay? Anyasi Oma, that's a greeting. Anyasi Oma is when you're greeting somebody. When you see the person, or when I stepped into your house at night, you say Anyasi Oma. Okay? And then when I'm leaving your house at night, Kachifo, may the night done well. And then I can also say, if I'm the first person to say Kachifo, then you say Kaobo. If you're the one that said Kachifo to me, then I will say Kaobo. All right? So know this. This is what I gave you last week. So now, when I call your name, I'm going to ask you all these things. And you tell me everything. One person, not two people. I may divide it. So, if you know you don't know how to say all these things I say here, if you know you don't need them, chupo de honor, okay? Are you okay? Because I'm going to call everybody's name. All right, Andrew. Andrew, ready for me? Uh-oh, wait, okay. So I'm going to start asking you a question, Andrew. Make sure you know all of them. Okay, Andrew. Kedu ka email?
Adam.
Yeah. Gịnị bụ afa gị?
Ahambu Andrew Uha.
Okay. Kedu ka mama gị mere?
Mamam Dima.
Kedu ka papa gị mere? Tell me. My dad is not fine. Kedu ka papa gị
Odigi.
mere? Kedu ka papa gị mere?
Odigima?
Eh? If you don't say Odigima, what will you say? What will you replace on Odigima?
Papa Digima.
Is it Papa or Papam?
Papam.
Yeah, Papam Adigima. Okay, Andrew. Kedu ka ụbọchị gị dị? Kedu ka ụbọchị gị mere? Gịnị wụ ụbọchị?
Odimma.
Gịnị wụ ụbọchị, Andrew?
Odimma.
Gịnị bụ ụbọchị? What is ụbọchị?
Day.
Hey. Kedu ka ụbọchị gị mere?
That's fine.
If you want to
Isn't
tell
it-
me it's not fine, feel free to do that.
Oh,
If you want to tell me it's fine, feel free to do that.
isn't it? It's fine. It'd be Odimma.
Yeah, that's good. That's what I
Good.
wanted to say. Yeah. Okay, Andrew, I need you to
Seven.
tell me, Genebu, good morning.
Uh,
Genebu,
Ututu
good
Oma.
morning. Good evening.
Mbede Oma.
Good afternoon.
He Oma.
What is welcome?
No.
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 There you go. When you say no, it's not friendly. I need it to be polite, more polite. Just be polite. No. Okay. When you say no, then your dad will be like, is he okay? Is he angry? What happened? So you gotta be more polite and be friendly. No. Okay. All right. So
Okay.
how do you say I am eating? Or I
Anam
ate?
Erenyeri.
And I'm a ring. How will you say I ate?
I ate. Agam Eri.
No, aga means you will, but this is
Okay.
you already did. I ate. What will you say? Eririm.
Iririnri.
Eririm. Nri.
Iririm Mri.
Yes, eririm nri. Okay, good. But tell me when I'm leaving your house at night, not the greeting one. What is the other one?
Oh, the other one, not the greeting?
No, when I'm living in the middle of night or when you're leaving my house, what will I tell you?
Gachifo.
How
Gachifo.
about, yeah, good job. All right, let me get another person down. Onye ọbụla tụọlụ na Andrew aka. When I say kwaka, it means clap your hand. Kwara Andrew aka, clap your hand. Kwaka means clap your hands. Okay. Let me get another person here. Chimde Ezugo. Chimde, unmute yourself.
Ana m ebe a.
Daalụ Chimde. Aha. Chimde, gịnị, kedu ka ị mere?
Adị m mma.
Gịnị bụ afa gị?
Afa m bụ Chimdi Ezugbo.
Ị dị afọ ole?
Afọ ole m bụ iri
No, no, no.
otu.
Okay, Chimde, is it your sibling making that noise? Okay, gwa ya na auntie si ya si ebe ahụ pụọ. Tell him auntie said to get out of there, okay? Okay, Chimde, gee ntị. Okay, Chimde, ị dị afọ ole? Chimde, ị dị afọ ole? Ma ọ bụ afọ ole ka ị dị?
Afọ ole m bụ iri otu.
Adị m afọ.
Adị m afọ iri na otu.
Daalụ. Kedu ka papa gị mere?
Papa m nọ ọfụma.
Okay, kedu ebe papa gị nọ?
Papa m nọ ebe outside.
Can you tell me my dad went to work? Can you say that?
Papa m nọ ọrụ.
Papa m n'ọrụ ma ọ bụ papa m jere ọrụ, right? Okay, good. Chimde, gịnị wụ good evening?
Good evening bụ efifie ọma.
Nope.
Mgbede.
Mgbede.
Mgbede ọma.
Mgbede ọma. Gịnị good morning?
Ụtụtụ ọma.
Hello, Chimde. How do you say I have a question?
Ajụjụ.
Okay, how do you say my question is?
Ajụjụ m bụ.
Okay, onye ọbụla kụọlụ Chimde aka. Daalụ Chimde. Daalụ, daalụ. Chiwetalụ. Chiwetalụ. Chiwetalụ ọ nọ ebe a? Chiwetalụ ọ nọ ebe a? Okay, Chiwetalụ, you're not talking. Ị nọ ebe a, Chiwetalụ? Okay, Chiwetalụ, gịnị bụ greeting? Chiwetalụ, kedu?
Adị m mma.
Kedu ka mama gị mere? Kedu ka mama gị mere? Chinde, gịnị bụ Chiwetalụ, gịnị bụ afa gị? Chiwetalụ, gịnị bụ afa gị?
Adị m mma.
No, 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 no. Gịnị bụ afa gị, Chiwetalụ? Afa means name. Chiwetalụ, Ngozi nọ ebe ahụ? Ngozi? Ngozi, kedu kwanụ ka ị mere?
Adị m mma.
Kedu ka Chiwetalụ mere?
Chiwetalụ dị
Yeah,
mma.
yes, good, good. How do you say I have a question?
Aha m bụ
No, I have a
enwere
question.
m ajụjụ.
Enwere m ajụjụ. Gịnị bụ afa gị? Maọbụ gịnị bụ aha gị?
Aha m bụ Ngozi.
Daalụ. Gịnị bụ good morning?
Good morning bụ
Ụtụtụ ọma.
Good job. Good, Chiwetalụ, gịnị bụ good evening? Emmanuel, clean what you're writing on the screen. I told you, don't touch the screen. Emmanuel, clean it. Do not touch the screen.
Good evening, Bo. Ehihie ọma.
That's ehihie ọma is good afternoon. Good evening is mgbede ọma. Now, what is welcome, Chiwetel?
No.
No, daalụ. Okay, Enes. Nebo, Enes ọ n'ebe ahụ? Enes. I need you to answer me. Are you there?
Yes.
Enes. Gịnị bụ yes?
Eh.
Yeah, there you go, Enes. Gịnị bụ good morning?
Ụtụtụ ọma.
Kedu ka ị mere?
Adị m mma.
Gịnị bụ aha gị?
Aha m bụ Ernest Nebo.
Afọ ole ka ị dị? Ị dị afọ ole? Ị dị afọ ole? How old are you? That's what I asked in English. In Igbo.
Iri na abụọ.
No, adị m afọ. You need to make a sentence. Adị m afọ iri na abụọ. Can you say that?
Adị m afọ iri na abụọ.
Okay. How do you say I ate food? I ate, which is past tense. Eriri m nri. Can you say that? Ernest, can you?
Nri.
Okay, how do you say I will eat?
Aka m nri.
Aga m eri nri. Ernest, can you say that?
Aga m eri nri.
How do you say I am coming? I am coming.
Ana m.
Abia, right?
Ana m abịa.
Good. How do you say I am eating? You told us I will eat. Now I am eating. What is it?
Anam eri nri.
Ana m eri nri. Daalụ Ernest. Daalụ. Tochi. Tochi. Tochi kedu? Tochi kedu? Tochi is here. Tochi is not talking. Izunna Wanze. Izunna kedu ka email?
Adị m mma.
Okay, papa gị kwanụ kedu ka papa gị mere?
Papa dị m mma.
Papa m dị mma. Can you say that?
Papa m dị mma.
Yeah. Izunna gịnị ka ị na-eme? Gịnị ka ị na-eme? What did I ask you, Izunna?
What am I doing?
Yes, na answer me in Igbo.
Anọ m
na Igbo class.
Anọ m na Igbo class.
Daalụ. Izunna gịnị wụ good evening?
Good evening, Boo.
Nah, Izunna. It means you've not been using it in the house. Everybody listen up. If you are thinking about these greetings, it means you don't even practice it. You don't use it in the house. Because if you use it every time, there's no way you're going to be thinking about the greetings. So everybody, you need to start using the words. You need to start practicing it. Izuna, I'm not happy with you, honestly, because you're supposed to know it. It means now that if you've not been saying good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night in the house in Igbo, you have to greet your parents in Igbo. That's how you get used to it. If you don't speak it, you won't be able to know it. You have to practice it, everybody. Izuna, gịnị bụ aha gị?
Aha m bụ Izunna Wanze.
Okay. Izuna, how do you say I am eating?
Ana m eri nri.
How do you say I ate?
Arịrị m.
Eriri m gịnị?
Arịrị m nri.
Nri. Then if I came to your house and I'm leaving, what will you tell me? What will you tell me? How do you say?
At night?
Yeah, when I'm leaving, not the greeting. Instead of you saying good night, what will you say?
Kachifo.
Ka-abo, daalụ Izunna. Now, let me call one of the new ones and see if they're paying attention. Okay. Let me see here. Lotanna. Lotanna ọ nọ ebe a?
Anọ m ebe a.
Lotanna, kedu? Kedu ka email? Lotanna. Lotanna. Adị m mma. Okay. Gịnị bụ aha gị?
Aha m bụ Lotena.
Lotanna, ị dị afọ ole? Lotanna, ị dị afọ ole?
Amaghị m ya.
Good. At least you responded. Good, good, good. It means how old are you? Make sure you learn how to say that, okay? Lotanna, good morning.
Ụtụtụ ọma.
Good evening.
Ehihie ọma.
It means mgbede. Ehihie ọma means good afternoon, okay? Mgbede ọma is good evening. And then what will you tell me when I come to your house? Or when your mom is back from work or dad is back, what will you say to them? How do you say welcome?
No.
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 Dalo. Lotanna. Esther. Esther or neighbor. Esther, it means, are you here? Esther Njaga. Esther. Can Esther answer me? Is Emmanuel here? Emmanuel, unmute yourself.
Hello?
Esther, never. Esther, Kedo.
Odima.
You see, Esther, no. When I say Kedo, what are you supposed to tell me?
Adima.
Ademma. So don't say Odemma again, okay? Odemma is if I ask for your mom or dad or anybody. Okay, Esther, Kedo ka papa gị mere?
Odima.
Odemma. Esther, gịnị bụ aha gị?
Aha Mubo Esther.
Aha m bụ Esther. Esther, gịnị wụ? Good evening. Gịnị wụ good evening, Esther? Gịnị wụ good morning?
Ụtụtụ ọma.
Gịnị wụ good afternoon? Ehihie.
Ehihie ọma.
Daalụ, Esther. Emmanuel. Emmanuel is here, right? Emmanuel in ebe? Emmanuel, kedu?
Odima.
Oh, no. Emmanuel, kedu? Emmanuel, kedu?
Odima.
Daalụ. What is welcome? Emmanuel, what is welcome? Emmanuel, what do you call father?
No.
Okay, what is dad? What is dad called in Igbo? What is father called in Igbo?
Papa.
Papa. Can you say papa?
Papa.
Okay. Dalo. Kene and Adeze. Kene gene wo father.
What? Give me father.
Kene gene wo father.
Give me the father.
Okay. Kene gene wo mother.
Mama.
Mama. Kene kedu ka email. Kedu?
Anama.
Kene kedu ka email. I'm listening. Kedu?
What are you doing?
Yes. How will you respond to me?
Yeah.
Adam Mma. Can you say Adam Mma? All right. Dalo kene. Adeze kedu? Adaeze ewelukwa. Adaeze ọ n'ebe ahụ? Adaeze ọ n'ebe ahụ? Unmute yourself. Oh, Adaeze ran away, right? Okay. Now, let me give you a room, everybody. Now, let me say this. I'm expecting everybody to know all this before next week. We're going to have quiz, the first 10 before we start class. Quiz, first thing before we start class. So you need to know all of them. Speak it in the house. Speak it. Tell your parents, please, go Swaram Igbo. Swaram Igbo. Swaram Igbo. Because I want everybody to know this. Now, Gabriela never. Gabriela. Isabella, is Gabriela there?
Yes.
Okay, Isabella. Isabella, you are the one to sing Igbo song for us next week. So find Igbo song to learn to sing. Make sure you're pronouncing them very well, okay?
Okay.
So Isabella, you are the one to sing Igbo song next week. Now, onwere nwere ajụjụ. Now, if you have a question, raise your hand up. Then when I call your name, say, I have a question. My question is, okay, Chudo, you're number one. I see Chudo's hand up. Okay, Chiwetala, your hand is up.
My question.
No, Chiwetal. No, Chiwetal. Chiwetal, say your name. Come on.
Chiwetal.
Mm-hmm.
Ewerem ajojumbo.
Uh-huh. And then the third one, how do you say it?
Ajojumbo.
Good. Okay, what's your question? Get about your jogging.
Can you please scroll up a little bit?
I want me to scroll up. Okay. All right, let's scroll up.
At the food part.
The food, there you go. Eriri m nri, aga m eri nri, ana m eri nri. Okay.
On the first one,
Uh-huh.
food, does PT mean present tense or
Present tense, yes.
Or is it past?
No, past tense. No, see present tense. That's good, Dalo. Past tense, so you know. Good question. Ezigbo ajụjụ. Ezigbo ajụjụ means good question. Dalo. Now, FT means future tense. Dalo, future tense. All right. Dalo Chiwetal. Chiwetal, what do you tell me now when I say Dalo? You say email.
Email.
There you go. You're welcome. All right. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Any other person? Let me see. Chisom. Chisom, aka gị nọ n'elu. Chisom, gịnị bụ? Go ahead. Chisom.
Chisom Akazobi.
What is the second thing you say? Enwere m ajụjụ.
Ajụjụ.
Okay. Gịnị bụ ajụjụ gị?
How do you say I'm in my house?
I am in my house. Anọ m na ụlọ m. I anọ m, you say? Anọ m na ụlọ m. Ụlọ means house. Okay, anọ m na ụlọ m. I am in my house. Okay. Chisom, can you say anọ m na ụlọ m?
Anọ m na ụlọ m.
There you go. Make sure you know how to say it. Okay? All right, let's see. Daalụ. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Who else has a question? Onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? I see. Chiwetal, is it they want me to lower your hand or do you have another question? Chudo, I've been calling your name. Do you have a question?
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Okay. Ngozi, okay, gịnị bụ ajụjụ gị?
Ajụjụ m bụ, how do you say happy birthday?
Okay. Aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị. Now, we did all this before. Let me do it again. Okay. Aṅụrị, happy birthday means, aṅụrị means happy or joy, okay? Aṅụrị. What is it? Okay. Aṅụ. Where's my mouse? It's not working. Oh, okay, it's back. Okay, it's aṅụrị ụbọchị. Remember, ụbọchị is a day. Ụbọchị. Ọmụmụ. Ọmụmụ means birth. Ọmụmụ gị. Aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị means happy birthday. Okay, happy birthday. Happy birthday. And now, happy Christmas or Merry Christmas is aṅụrị a Christmas. So everything happy is aṅụrị, 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 aṅụrị. Aṅụrị ekeresimesi. Aṅụrị ekeresimesi. Happy Christmas or Merry Christmas. The same thing in New Year, the same way ahọ fọrọ. All right, Christmas. Okay, so Ngozi, can you say aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị?
Aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị.
Aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị.
Aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị.
Ọmụmụ gị.
Ọmụmụ gị.
Yes. You have to say it several times, then you get used to it. Aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị.
Aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị.
See, you're getting better now. So repeat it over after class, repeat it over and over. And then if it's Christmas, aṅụrị ekeresimesi. If it's New Year, aṅụrị afọ ọhụrụ. You see, just like that. That's what it is. Aṅụrị ụbọchị ọmụmụ gị. Happy birthday. All right. Onwe onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Now, I will post this. When I shoot, though your hand is still up, do you still have question? You're not talking. You need to unmute yourself. I don't know if you have question. Chudo, call me after class, because I don't know if anybody is there to help you. All right, everybody. I want to hear everybody tell me, see you next time. How do we say that?
Che mediano.
So if you have a question, call me on the phone. Call me, no. If you want to call me and ask me the question.